Alright guys, welcome back. In today's video we are doing the engine bay. I already sanded this down, as you guys can tell. Smooth and everything. This took a while because there's like 2 layers of red on it. Kind of weird, but yeah. So I'm gonna scuff everything up in here. So I want to set you guys up, scuff this up, get it ready to paint so we can get that done today and get this engine bay looking nice. And we're gonna go from this to this. Also, what I'm doing here is we're gonna be painting this real quick. I already scuffed it up a little bit, sanded it, so should be ready to go for a primer, and we're just gonna respray black. So let's do that right now and get work and get work and get to work. All right, let's do it. Alright guys, so we got this all painted, looks good. And my hands are ready, cool. sanded this down. I'm gonna go ahead and just like wipe everything down. See what's all scuffed up. I used the what did I use here? So you guys can tell. So I'm just gonna tape some stuff up and should be good to go. Alright guys, it's dark. I was masking some things up here. But yeah, so let's continue in the morning. Bam. And we're back to the next day. So this is kind of what I did prepping it. Not the best, but all of this will get repainted. So I really didn't need the mask here or here as well. But you know, it's just better. I am gonna like move this around when I paint. It's kind of really annoying masking all this stuff like this and that and that. That was annoying. I'm gonna respray that black. Kind of just bagged everything there. So yeah, this is gonna be interesting, but I'll set you guys up and let's get this going. Try to make the video not too long so you guys can actually see how it looks when we're done here. So let me set you up. Let's start priming it and then we'll paint it and we should be good to go. It's cool right now. It was really hot earlier. You can't really do much. So now it's cool. Let's get spraying. It's not windy. It's pretty nice. So shouldn't get a lot of dirt on it as well. Let's do it. Whoa guys, check it out. So I started laying some of the red paint here. It's true red and it looks wonderful. So that's just like first layer of spray. And yeah, so it looks real good. What I'm gonna do is finish the rest. I kind of didn't do this part here. It's where the raw stuff is. I want to do that last here. But yeah, so we're looking good. I'm gonna spray everything, show you guys how it looks, take all the stuff off. I do have a new seal right here for this, so don't worry about that too much, guys. But yeah, definitely happy. I love it. It looks good. Look a little better than the cherry that I went with. So yeah, let me just finish the whole thing, show you guys how it looks. I love it. Alright guys, so check it out. We're done. Let me know what you think. I think it looks great. It matched, looks way better. But it's not perfect, you know. It's can spray, so overall stuff might, you know, bubble stuff might not look great. I'm gonna go ahead and go through it and sand down what I need to sand down and respray it. But it looks good. I am happy. Only money concern is really that power steering rack. I gotta figure that out. I might just have to replace that. And while I have that out of the way, I'll repaint the front subframe black so it looks new as well. With the is that the control steering wheel arm bar thingy? I do that as well. But and this little rust section, I didn't paint here for a reason. I got that. I want to figure something out here before I spray that. So that wasn't a big issue right there. But overall, everything looks great. Leave me a comment what you guys think. You like it? You don't like it? I mean, it was a amateur kind of paint job, as you can tell, but it looks good. This is I prefer looking at this than what was already in it before. You know, put the engine in, everything's gonna look nice. Like I said, I'm gonna go through it again in the morning and just touch up what needs to be touched up. But for now, I'm happy how it looks. Looks great. Turned out good. And yeah, so you guys stay tuned for our next video, which will be working on the motor. We're gonna get that cylinder head on, get our LP studs up, everything on there with our 2JZ head gasket, get everything looking nice, and get ready for our turbo kit. That's gonna be fun. You guys stay tuned to find out what I'm gonna run. And yeah, so oh yeah, power goal really is with the whole VVTi, you know, rods being skinny and weak. I think they're capable for like 4. Correct me if I'm wrong. I know on some forums people pushed it more than that from what I've read, but still we're gonna keep it like right around 4 if anything. But if, let's say, the rods are bad or whatever, we might just go 2JZ pistons later down the road. So yeah, I mean, this might be a long ass project. But you guys, thanks for watching. Help the channel by hitting that like and subscribe. I'll catch you guys later. And well, damn, this still looks good.